in parapsychology, we talk about other perceptions. We talk about other information coming in, not through the normal senses. But we've all learned over the years, because this is the way we're taught, to look at and to deal with and to notice things from our normal senses. So if there's an extra bit of information that comes in, we might think it's our imagination. We also know we can visualize things, and we can also certainly get that song stuck in our heads long enough. So if there's auditory information that's in our heads, or visual information that's in our heads that's not necessarily coming through our eyes and ears, who knows where that's coming from? Kids know where to look and where not to look if someone's doing something with sleight of hand. Kids are better observers. Unfortunately, they're better observers, and at the same time they're told by their adults around them, no, that didn't happen. Or no, you're just imagining it. And this is where we get into the problem in our society of being educated out of the perceptions that we call psi. Now, ESP, the phrase ESP, extrasensory perception, coined by J.B. Rhine so many years ago, is actually not extra, and it's not sensory. It is perception. Now, when we look at it in parapsychology, we are talking about something that is part of us and part of everybody, for that matter. Keith Harari, a number of years ago, changed that to extended sensory perception. He used sensory still very often. He usually calls it extended perception, but he even said you can leave in sensory because there's probably something going on that's sensory. There's something that is sensing things, some structure in ourselves, even if it's just simply the energy system that we are that's sensing things. It's still sensing, it gets processed, it's perception at that point.